Do you need to compare two Excel files but don't know where to start? Here's a simple guide to help you get started. First, open the two Excel workbooks you need to compare by clicking File and Open in Excel. Once you've located the workbooks, select each one separately and keep both workbooks open. Next, click on the View tab in the top center of the window, and then click on View Side by Side in the window group of the ribbon. This will pull up both worksheets into smaller windows stacked vertically. To change the orientation of the workbooks when they're displayed side by side, click on Arrange All and choose from the options of horizontal, vertical, cascade, or tiled. To make it easier to scroll through both Excel files line by line to check for any differences manually, enable synchronous scrolling. You can find this option located under the View Side by Side option. Finally, scroll through one workbook to scroll through both simultaneously and compare their data more easily. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.